Welcome back. Today topic is tense. What is the tense meaning? What is the origin of the tense? Origin of the tense means the word derived from the Latin word tempus. Tempus means time. General meaning of the tense is form of the verb. Form of the verb is tense meaning. Form of the tense here three types: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Each tense divides into four types: simple present tense, present continuous, present progressive, present perfect, continuous or progressive tense. Simple past, past continuous or progressive tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense or progressive tense. Simple future, future continuous or progressive tense, future perfect continuous tense or progressive tense. These are the 12 tenses. Listen well. Tenses are divided into three types. Each tense is divided into four types. Here 4 plus 4 plus 4, totally 12 tenses. Now we have to discuss according to structure. Now according to structures, previously we learnt each sentence with a detailed manner. Now according to structures, see, simple present tense or present simple, present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. Like that past tense also. Past simple or simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Simple future or future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. Now simple present tense structure. Subject plus V1, S, ES or IES. If there is third person singular number, we should use S, ES, IES plus object. Simple past tense, subject plus verb form to object. Simple future, subject plus shall or will, verb form one object. Now continuous tenses. Continuous means verb always before. Verb is always V4. Once say V4. Subject is, am or V4 plus object. Subject was or V4 plus object. Subject shall be or will be V4 plus object. Here perfect tense means verbs always V3, verb form 3. Subject plus have or as V3 plus object. Subject plus add plus V3 plus object. Subject shall have or will have, verb form 3 object. Last one. Subject plus have been or has been, V4 plus object. Past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had been, V4 plus object. Last tense. What is that? Future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus shall have been or will have been, V4 plus object. Once see here, for negative sentence, subject plus do not or does not, V1 plus object. In the simple past tense, for negative sentence, subject plus did not plus V1 plus object. V1 is correct, okay? Somebody wrote V2. Once remind that subject plus did not plus V1 plus object for negative sentence. Okay, for remaining no need. So these are the structures of the all tenses. Okay. Now agreement between subject and helping verb. Once let us see. Now agreement between subject and helping verb according to tenses. Okay, once see simple present tense. subject plus V1 plus S, ES, IES plus object. One see, I do not, we do not, you do not, they do not, except third pair singular number. Only for third pair singular number, E does not, C does not, it does not. When do we apply S, ES, IES means third person singular number E, C, it takes S, ES, IES or simply V5. Simply V5. Now, simple past tense. Subject plus V2 plus object. In the negative sentence, for all pronouns and nouns, did not is acceptable. Did not is acceptable. Here does not or do not. Does not or do not. Here only one. Do not only in the simple past tense only for negative sentences. Now one say, I shall, we shall. He will, she will, it will, you will, they will. Here also, I shall be, we shall be, like this. He will be, she will be, it will be, you will be, they will be. Here also shall is there, like this, so that I shall have, we shall have, he will have, she will have, it will have, they will have, you will have. Okay. Here, I shall have been, we shall have been, he will have been, she will have been, it will have been, they will have been, you will have been. Now, continuous tenses. Okay. He is, she is, it is. I am. We are, you are, they are. I was, she was, he was, it was. You were, we were, you were. This one completed. I have, we have, you have, they have. He has, she has, it has. Now, last one. I have been, we have been, you have been, they have been. He has been, she has been, it has been. For all pronouns, had. Okay, either singular or plural, either noun or pronoun. For all, add is acceptable. For this also. So these are the agreement between subject and helping verb according to tenses. Now examples. See, I am taking, take. I am taking, take is verb. See, I take, we take, you take, they take. See, he takes, she takes, it takes. Okay. Negative sentence. I do not take, we do not take, you do not take, they do not take. He does not take, she does not take, it does not take. I took a pen, for example. Negative sentence, I did not take a pen. I did not take a pen. Not took. If you use negative sentence, I did not take. Verb 1 compulsory. For all pronouns and nouns, did not is only acceptable. Now, I shall take, we shall take, he will take, she will take, it will take, you will take, they will take. Okay? Continuous tenses. He is taking, she is taking, it is taking. I am taking. We were taking, you were taking, they were taking. Past continuous tense. I was taking, he was taking, she was taking, it was taking. You were taking, we were taking, they were taking. I shall be taking, we shall be taking, he will be taking, she will be taking, it will be taking, they will be taking, you will be taking. Now perfect tenses. I have taken, we have taken, you have taken, they have taken. he has taken, she has taken, it has taken. For all pronouns, add only. For example, I had taken, you had taken, like that. Here, I shall have taken, we shall have taken, ye will have taken, she will have taken, it will have taken, they will have taken, you will have taken. These are the perfect tenses. Last one, perfect continuous tenses. Perfect continuous tenses. I have been taking, we have been taking, you have been taking, they have been taking. He has been taking, she has been taking, it has been taking. For all pronouns add been only, or nouns also. I had been taking, you had been taking, like that. I shall have been taking, we shall have been taking, he will have been taking, she will have been taking, it will have been taking, they will have been taking, you will have been taking. Okay? These are the tenses, agreement between subject and helping verbs according to tenses, and structures of the all tenses. Thank you for listening this class.